Hello grade 8 students. Our topic for today is all about adding and subtracting similar rational algebraic expressions. In adding and subtracting similar rational algebraic expressions, there are rules to be followed. First is add or subtract the numerator. Second is copy the common denominator. Next is factor the numerator and cancel out or divide the common factor, then simplify. So if A over C plus B over C equals A plus B over C, and A over C minus B over C equals A minus B over C, where C is not equal to 0. Okay, first example is 2A over 4B plus 3 over 4B. So first, add or subtract the numerator. So 2A plus 3. And then copy their common denominator, which is 4B. So since we cannot factor the numerator, so that will be our final answer. Second example. 10C over 13 plus 16C over 13. So first, we have to add the numerator. So 10C plus 16C is 26C over 13. Since we can factor 26C, so we will use 13 times 2C over 13. And then cancel similar terms. And then your final answer is 2C. Number 3, 8D minus 3 over 9 plus 4D plus 12 over 9. So first, we have to add the numerator. So we will just copy the numerator. So 8D minus 3 plus 4D plus 12 over, copy their common denominator, which is 9. And then next is combine like terms. So 8D plus 4D is 12D. And then negative 3 plus 12 is positive 9 over 9. Since we can factor the numerator, so we will factor it. Its factor is 3 times 4D plus 3 over 9. And then we will use cancellation method. So 3 can be divided into 9. So 3 becomes 1 and 9 becomes 3. So your answer is 4D plus 3 over 3. Okay, 9x squared over 3x minus 5 minus 25 over 3x minus 5. So first, we have to subtract the numerator. So 9x squared. And don't forget, if you see the sign here, subtraction, meaning you have to change the sign of the subtrahend. So it becomes negative 25 over 3x minus 5. And the next, since you can factor this, so you have to recall the lesson about factoring. So we will use the difference of square. So 3x plus 5 and then 3x minus 5. And then 3x minus 5. And then cancel similar terms. So your final answer is 3x plus 5. Okay, the next example is 9y squared over y minus 2 minus y squared plus 16y over y minus 2. So first, we have to subtract the numerator. So 9y squared. So don't forget, if you have or you observe the sign which is subtraction, meaning you have to change the sign of the subtrahend. So it becomes negative y squared minus 16y all over y minus 2, which is their common denominator. Next is to combine like terms. So 9y squared minus y squared is 8y squared minus 16y over y minus 2. So since we can factor 8y squared minus 16y, so we will factor it. So it becomes 8y times y minus 2 over y minus 2. So cancel similar terms. So your final answer is 8y.